Hey there everyone, welcome back. So I had SD card error when I was doing the unboxing on the Element flat bar rail, circle rail, so I have no idea what I got on camera or what I don't got on camera, thanks to GoPro constantly glitching. Anyways, you got the feet to the flat bar, which has the rubber pads, the holes so you can actually bolt it to the ground, anti-slip, and it actually comes with the 3 holes so you can do it 3 different tiers, different heights. And look at this rail, this is solid to work out with it, yeah. Just like the flat bar, it comes with the pins. And to set this up, all you do is put your legs together and pop your pin in there like so. And that one's done. Just like that, super easy, super quick, super simple. Gotta love it. Beautiful circle rail from Element Skateboards. If you want to pick one of these bad boys up, definitely come down to Community Board Shop and we'll hook you up. So yeah, this flat bar is amazing, super solid. I recommend getting it. Anyone that's just learning, starting off, or actually knows how to skate, this is beautiful. Element did a really good job on it. Thanks for watching everyone, stay safe, God bless you all. Like this video, comment down below, and click that subscribe button for more.